What's going on, guys? Adnan here, and today we're gonna talk about brakes. Let's go. Alright, let's warm her up a little bit, and after that we're going to the workshop that issued. Let's go. So you guys might ask me, Heiko, why you want to service your brakes? Well, that's because my brake lever pull is deeper than usual. Yeah, usually it only takes about like this much. Then I think now it's gonna goes further in, which sucks, and it's not something that I'm used to. Well, I hope video quality is okay because I'm using a polarized filter right here. Tire feels great. Slides well. So yeah, we're going to a workshop, a motorcycle workshop that kind of specialize in supermotos. It's called Ahua Motor Shop, located at Protune Industrial. I mean, I'm familiar with his son named Reiko, a good friend of mine. So yeah, he's the one that's gonna probably work on my bike. And yeah, he's also the one that told me that my master pump is due for a replacement. I think the compression seal is not working, it's faulty. That's why, you know, my lever pull is all the way in. Yeah, that sucks, man. Also, another reason why I want to change it today is a Friday, is because I have a track day on Sunday, which is in 2 days time. A track day, track day. Brakes are important for track days. You know, you go fast, you also need to slow down fast. Africa Twin, very nice color, blue, I like. Yeah, I need to get it fixed. Gonna bleed the brakes. Basically what bleeding does is it replaces the fluid. So it's highly possible that there's an air bubble inside here, but I don't think so, because the last time I bleed these brakes, it was using a vacuum kind of thing, you know, a vacuum kind of thing to pull the old fluids out. Reaching the workshop, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit what brake fluid I use, because there's different types of brake fluids. I mean, generally there are three. You have your .4, .5 and .5.1. Alright, reach Ahua. Catch you guys in a bit. Ooh, engine fucking hot. Guys, this is Reiko. Say hi. And this is Ahua Motor Services.
And this hiker, he's always bleeding the brakes.
Yes, I'm always bleeding my brakes. So, yep, this is how he does it.
Still learning.
It's okay, I'm also learning. You learn, I learn, everybody learn.
Look at how handsome.
Oh, handsome ah. Sure. Oh, this guy ah. Oh, so handsome ah. Yeah.
Yawning, yeah. Cute one.
What are you doing right now, Rico?
There is trapped air bubbles, and I'm trying to bleed out all the air bubbles, the trapped air bubbles.
So you're getting rid of the air bubbles.
Yeah.
Nice. Is that what is causing my brake to feel spongy?
Yes, it is.
It is. And this is a new fluid. We are using Motul RBF 660. There we go.
Got standard.
Highly recommended by Reiko right here.
Do that one minute. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Irritating. So this is the tool that he's gonna use to suck up all the fluids. I think this end right here is gonna be attached to the air compressor. Yep. So yeah, I hope with this my brake's gonna feel good, because like I say, got track day coming up, yo. Oh, very handsome, huh? Yep, still working on it. As you guys can see, I'm running a 4-port piston. This was from a KTM 690 Duke, I think. Yeah, and then we have this extra bracket because the stock mounting points is axial, and then this caliper is radial. So yeah. Nice. Okay, so my brakes has been bled. I decided to bleed the clutch fluids as well, because if you guys don't know, KTM use clutch fluids instead of what do you call that, a clutch cable. Yeah. Ooh, my brake feels like 5 times better. Nice. Let's give it a ride and test it out. Test brake, stop. Oh yeah, very nice. That free play, I think, has been eliminated, which is good. Okay, clutch feels normal. The clutch pull. Yeah. Okay, my brake setup feels okay right now. I mean, back then I managed to brake, I won't say hard, but sufficient enough. It's a servicing that was well worth the money. My brake pad feels good. Oh yeah. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna share with you guys for this video. It's just a a quick topic, share with you guys what I did to my bike, to make it perform better according to my comfort level. And yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys to service your brake pads, I mean your brake system, every once in a while, if it feels like it's shitty, or in my case I would do it every 6 months, because not only your engine, your brake components, your brake system is also very important. So yeah, this is Cycle Adnan, going to end this video. I hope you guys are well, ride safe, stay safe out there, and peace.